Hello, thank you for watching. I'm doing a review of the Lenovo 3-in-1 computer. That means it has 3 items that you can use, tools on this computer, but it doesn't have the bulkiness of it. I'm loving it. It is a 24-inch screen, and I like that. It feels big, but yet it is still small. The neck is small, it feels clean and sleek. I'm no geek, but I think this came with a lot more than 3 in this one computer. There's a lot here to offer, and it does well. I like the Lenovo computer for its style. It's really got a great shape to it. My room, it fits my room, my desk, my small office. And it's just the right size for me, and it has a seat. I like the shape of this computer. It feels light and airy. The keyboard is light. It handles well. It's cordless. The mouse is cordless. It fits my hand with no problem. It came with everything I needed just for me. It has a pop-up, pull up and push down large camera on the top of the screen. I like to push it down for more security, but if you have big fingers like I do, I'm so glad that the camera is big enough for my big hands. It has all the USB ports in the back that I could ever need. As you can see, the Lenovo has everything I need all in one. I'm very happy with this product from Amazon. It came in, I think, 2-3 days. They had it on stock, and no damage done to it, and so I couldn't have been more happy, and I think you might be too. Thank you for watching.